I'm not somebody prone to hyperbole, but the sunsets on Siquijor Island are awesome. They're the best I've ever seen. Negros Island across collects clouds and the last sun rays of the day shine into them, and their spectacle reflects in the flat ocean just off San Juan. This is a map of the Philippines from 1808. You see the Visayas region in the center, and across from Negros you see the island of Siquijor. That's where we will head today. On a modern map, let's type Siquijor in the search bar of Google Earth and let's fly in. We're gonna take a ferry across from Negros and explore this amazing island. Wherever the Spanish colonialized, there were churches and convents. So let's explore the Lasi convent on Siquijor first. So I'm here in the Lasi convent on Siquijor Island, and this was built in 1791. It was completed then at the end of the Spanish colonial period of the Philippines, and it was built from this coral rock which a lot of Siquijor Island is made up of. So I think this is very interesting in a symbolic manner that the Philippines in many ways are really similar to Europe, the Catholic, like a lot of Southern and Central Europe. But then, if you look at the fine grain underlying structure, there is a difference. And so in Europe, obviously you don't have coral polyps, or actually the proper term is corallites, showing up in the wall of a church. So it's both a Catholic church in Austria as well as in the Philippines, but built from a different substance. The convent is interesting to explore. There are lots of religious artifacts from the old times on display, like the ceremonial dresses of the priests. There are even some pictures of a Bavarian man. The whole area is typically not very crowded. Most tourists seem to prefer the beach over some culture. So now there is a convent and obviously there's a church across. So let's look at that too. It's nice to look at these churches, but really what's so striking about Siquijor is the immense beauty of the nature of the island. Even though the sunsets impress most, also during the time of sunrise, Siquijor has this serene, otherworldly beauty. We spend a lot of our time across on the big island, which you can see on the right of the screen, in Negros, near Dumaguete, and that's a chill place, but still coming back from Siquijor, you almost feel like you're going to New York or to Vienna. So here you can see the ocean, and the darker part, this is seagrass, which is of course a very important habitat where a lot of juvenile fishes spend the first parts of their lives. And you can see how empty the beach is. You will run into some people and you will find nice places to have some good Thai food or to have a cold beer in the evening. But generally, what impresses about Siquijor is that this is still a place where you can chill. Now, we also visited the famous balete tree, which is a large tree, and nearby there are some fish which will eat the dead skin of your feet. Now, this has become more popular in recent years. I think they've been doing this for a while here. It's a fun activity. These little touristy things here in Siquijor, they're nice, they're fun. This is the balete tree from above, but mainly this is just a place to come and have your pulse drop a few beats and chill.